great to see him get excited as he saw things come off search. You know what I mean? So, and I got to tell you, for me as well, because in this day and age, our online reputation is so critical, and people can say and do whatever they want. It's good to know that we can take means of our own to fix things and make them right, or call on the right people who can.
Yeah, exactly. And so, if we're working together, these we can expect that these results will be removed from Google News searches or Google searches in general. Does it remove from both?
Yes.
The news subset and okay. Does it do? It really only affects the search term, though, right? Any other search term, it's not gonna. Does it de-promote the links on other search terms as a result of this work, or is it hard to measure?
Well, so the thing is, like, just like SEO is, very keyword specific, and based on a keyword, you put it in, and then, the result is seen on Google. So similarly, in this way, for a certain keyword, there's a certain link that comes up, and you've outlined that you want those links removed, target links removed from both the news tab as well as the regular Google search. So yeah, it's specific to those keywords that you mentioned, those 2 or 3 keywords.
Got it. Okay, I don't really have too many questions, to be honest. I just kind of wanted to connect with some other people that have been working with you guys, and kind of just hear some endorsements and know that we're getting into something that's going to be of value.
Yeah, and also Rudy, I think it might help Rochelle. Oh, I just realized that we're all R's.
Oh, that's really funny.
Yeah, Rochelle, Rajiv, and Rudy.
Yep.
That's awesome. A power of 3. So Rudy, could you maybe, without sharing like perhaps too many specifics, but could you just give Rochelle an idea of the kind of links that we were able to successfully delete?
Sure. I mean, the links that I had issues with for our client basically varied. They were everything from the New York Post to things from social media like Facebook to Twitter. So it's a various amount of different platforms that unfortunately, if that's what you're dealing with, you'll see them come off. So that was one of my biggest questions is, some of these websites have high authority, and like how are we going to combat with that? And sure enough, one way or the other, Rajiv can make it happen. So I was very happy to see that,
Okay, that's good. Yeah, we're working with high authority websites, news outlets and things. So that's why it's important for us.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. I don't want to take too much of you guys' time. It looks like Rajiv, I guess, will speak further about next steps.
Okay.
Awesome.
But yeah, thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Appreciate it.
My pleasure.
Yeah. Right. And Rudy, thank you so much for dragging yourself out of bed. I know you're kind of like fighting COVID as we speak, but thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Well, I hope
it's been crazy. I will say though, I will tell you this though, it's nothing like I know the media and everybody makes it sound like it's such the craziest thing. I've been just extremely fatigued and very achy. So if you've ever had anything close to the flu, it's nothing really different than that. I haven't had problem breathing or anything like that, which, but thank you, brother. I appreciate it. And I also wanted to say, because I've been so appreciative of what Rajiv's been able to do for me, I wanted to make this time. I'm home. I'm in my bedroom. I'm quarantining in my bedroom. I'm not going anywhere. So, brother, my pleasure to help. My pleasure to help.
Thank you so much, Rudy.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care now.
You too.
Bye-bye.